Hey guys, welcome to Mickey Talkies. So today we are going to discuss a problem from fluid mechanics. This is a problem from GATE 2017. Now let's have a quick look at the question. Consider a steady flow of an incompressible fluid through two long and straight pipes of diameter d1 and d2 arranged in series. Both pipes are equal in length and the flow is turbulent in both the pipes. The friction factor for turbulent flow through the pipes is of the form F equals to K Reynolds number whole to the power negative n, where K and N are some known positive constants and Re is the Reynolds number. Neglecting some minor losses, the ratio of the frictional pressure drop in pipe 1 to that of pipe 2, that is delta P1 by delta P2, is given by. So here we have to find out the ratio of the pressure drop in both the pipes. Now let us assume that the length of the pipe length of both the pipes will be L. Since we know that both the pipes are in series, so discharge through both the pipes will be same. Hence Q, which is the denotation of discharge, is represented by A1 V1 equals to A2 V2. Now A1 is equals to the area of the first pipe whose diameter is D1. So its area, as we know, is pi by 4 D1 whole square. And for the second pipe whose diameter is D2, we know its area as pi by 4 D2 whole square. So from the equation of equating the discharge, which is also known as equation of continuity, we can see that the ratio of V1 by V2 is equals to D2 by D1 whole square. Also we are given that F, or the frictional factor, is equals to K Re whole to the power negative n. Here Re is the Reynolds number, whose formula is rho Vd by eta, where rho is the density, V is the velocity, and eta is the viscosity of the fluid. We also know that the head loss through frictional losses is given by FLV square by 2GD. Now let's find the ratio of the head losses in both the pipes. Therefore we compare the head losses in both the pipes. So we see that delta P1 by delta P2 is equals to F1 L1 V1 square whole divided by 2GD1 into 2GD2 whole divided by F2 L V2 square. We see that the gravitation and the length of the pipe is same. So what are the things which varies are the velocity, the friction factor, and the diameter of the pipe. Velocity of fluid in both the pipes is given by the ratio d2 by d1 whole square, and since the frictional factor is dependent on the Reynolds number, which is further dependent on the velocity and diameter of the pipe flowing in the fluid, this also affects the pressure drop across the pipes. Now from calculation we can see that the pressure drop across both the pipes is given by d2 by d1 whole to the power 5 minus n.